Welcome to our guide on how to send a rotated photo on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Let's walk through the simple steps to share your creatively rotated photos with your contacts. To start, open WhatsApp on your Android device to begin the process of sending a rotated photo. Navigate to the chat where you intend to send the rotated photo to proceed with sharing. Tap on the attachment button located at the bottom of the chat interface to access the options for sharing media. Select Gallery from the menu to choose an existing photo from your device's gallery for sharing. Once you have selected the photo, you will be provided with the option to edit it before sending. This allows you to customize the photo before sharing it. Utilize the crop and rotate tools available within WhatsApp to adjust the orientation of the photo according to your preference. After rotating the photo to your desired orientation, you can add a caption to accompany the image if you wish to personalize the message. Then, simply tap the Send button to share the rotated photo with your contact. By following these steps, you can easily send creatively rotated photos with captions to your friends and family on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing your uniquely rotated photos to add a special touch to your conversations.